Exploring completely what is a crypto loan and how does it work. Borrowers and lenders are two different actors in crypto lending transactions. Borrowers put up cryptocurrency as collateral to secure loans from lenders. What is a crypto loan? Crypto loans are an ingenious instrument for getting the cash you need quickly, as they allow you to use your crypto holdings as collateral to secure a secure loan. If you are wondering, how do I borrow crypto? Collateralized crypto loans are a viable solution. This allows borrowers to use their crypto assets as collateral to secure fiat or stablecoin loans. How do stablecoin loans work? In terms of interest rate, peer-to-peer lending and lending models are heavily influenced by supply and demand scenarios. High loan volume coupled with low supply from lenders means high returns for lenders. However, if the demand for crypto loans is low and the supply from lenders is high, the borrower's interest rate will be low to attract borrowers. How do crypto loans work? Just like securities-based loans, cryptocurrency-backed loans guarantee digital currency. Basically, it resembles a mortgage loan. You give away your crypto assets to get a loan and repay it within a set time. These types of loans can be obtained through crypto lending platforms or crypto exchange. While you still retain ownership of the cryptocurrency's pledge, you waive the right to make transactions using digital coins. Should you lend crypto? You may want to know if crypto loans are safe. Before you get active on a crypto platform as a lender, make sure you understand the specifics. When you move your crypto to any platform to lend, they hold access to the cryptocurrency keys, not you. You only have bonds issued by smart contracts. Check smart contract auditing standards, project history, and a team can help you guide your decision. In short, you need to do your due diligence before accepting a call on the platform you are going to use to borrow and borrow. Regardless of the lending platform, knowing your game and limits is critical to successful innings. A mistake might prove costly, so better put your best exploration skills to work.